In this video, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at the 30-inch gas slide-in range from Whirlpool model WSGS5030SZ. This one is in a stainless steel finish. It does also come in a black stainless steel finish as well. And we'll start off by looking at the cooktop here. Up front, we have our two higher output burners, then a medium burner, a small burner, and then our griddle burner in the middle. I will put the BTU settings up on a graphic on the screen here so you can see the exact output of all of those. Then as we move to the front, we have all of our oven controls. And here we've got bake, broil, no preheat. There's other modes that I'll list down in the description. And then our convection modes are air fry, air baking, air roast, and air reheat. In the middle, there is a display. This stove isn't plugged in right now, so you're not going to see anything there. But then as we move along, we've got an oven light that we can choose. There's settings, keep warm option, steam clean, and then you have a timer, a lock, and then your controls to start and cancel. This is also Wi-Fi enabled, so it does work with the Whirlpool app to remotely preheat the oven if you choose, or if you have this hooked up to a smart speaker, you can actually use your voice to change the time and temperature if your hands are full or you're walking away from the stove for a second. As we look on the front here, we've got control knobs for all of the burners. These are all removable by simply pulling out on them, so you can clean behind them and around them. And then we'll open up the oven here. This does come with an air fry basket. We don't have it out on display right now, but it does come with one of those. And then you have two racks that are easy to remove and adjust. We'll slide it back in there. And then we'll close the oven door here. And just lastly, in the bottom, we have a storage drawer. So if you want to store some pots and pans, you have space to do that down here. And that's really all there is to it. It's a great stove if you're looking for a nice looking 30-inch slide-in option. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments or give us a call here at Apt. We're always happy to help.